someone has zero skills and want to sell a digital product, first thing he need to learn what people buy. So he need to go to Etsy.com, see what products already people pay for it, read the description of the product, see the view of the image, and read the reviews. This is the most important because the reviews always give you some hints of what you can create in your own version.
Step one, before you even build then?
Yes, this is the first thing. It's like you collect, it's like when you have a knowledge about the product himself.
Okay, where should they sell first? Etsy, Gumroad, something else?
I recommend the first, when you have your product ready, to try to sell in all the shops, because all of them will not give you traffic anyway, but they're gonna help you to have more exposure, I would say. But in my opinion, you need to have your own store, and this store is where you're gonna bring the traffic to your website, because Etsy, it's not your store. Etsy, when you bring advertisement or traffic to your page in Etsy, they're gonna suggest other products next to your product. So, for example, I would say, like, if you don't want to build your own website, you can use Livefile, because Livefile will give you your own page, which is your own store, without you have to pay for it. And then when you bring traffic to your page, they are not going to suggest other products from other sellers. No, it's like your own shop.
So no followers, no need to show your face.
We're in age of TikTok, I believe that you don't need followers. If you don't want to show your face, I recommend to show your face, but if you don't want to, try to create videos following the format like that. You take your phone, you record yourself working on your iPad, finishing a task, let's say that a planning trip to Tokyo, and you show the result. And this can catch the viewers, so they're gonna ask you in the comments or something, can we download this file? And then you can send them to your store, sorry.
Biggest mistake you see right now?
Is copying exactly a product that's already been sold. It's like you go to Etsy and you copy the image, you copy the design, you copy the descriptions, everything inside the PDF, you do it. And you're expecting to have the same result as this seller. This will never work.
Then why would anyone pay for yours if AI spits one out in 30 seconds?
This is one of the most important questions that we need to understand about AI. When you go to AI and ask him, create me a plan for a trip to Paris, AI had never been to Paris. He didn't have the experience about Paris. He didn't live this. AI collect many information and he can create you something that totally generic from what he read online. But for you, when you go use the AI, you use it as a tool. It's for you. You have so many ideas, so many experience. You have been in Paris. You give it to the AI, and AI structure it and do his work like he's a professional editor. But he plays your experience into this file, not what he read online.
You've built software for years, so why not just tell everyone to build SaaS instead?
My experience as a software engineer, that I have built so many times softwares and built SaaS and built mobiles. But now what I understand is that people have fatigue SaaS, fatigue apps. They don't want more apps. They don't want to subscribe to a new website. They want to download a simple file that's gonna execute one result and they can take it with them. It's like, okay, I can plan my meal, or I can plan my trip, or I can use it as my ADHD helper. Something I can read it on my iPad or my iPhone without need to subscribe, without need to download a whole app, without need to have a learning curve. So this is why we started this idea of interactive document, which is like a PDF, but more advanced to work like an app without need to download a real app. This is what's about Livefile.
So in one sentence,
In one,
Livefile.
In one sentence, Livefile is a smart document. That means you can interact with this document and you get the outcome you want.
Where do you think all this is going 5 years from now?
I think the more the AI more advanced, more he need to execute our tasks, and we need somehow to be the guru of the AI, not the opposite. So it's like if we have experience, we can share it with others, and AI can be the communications way. So, by example, if I don't understand what is mathematics, I don't understand functions, I can write a document, a live file document that someone who has experience in mathematics can write, someone who has experience in mathematics can write this PDF document that explains what is the functions in mathematics. And when I get this document, I can simply understand what it's about and play around with it, because this live file simplifies things for me.
Before we wrap, if there's one piece of advice you'd give someone watching this who's thinking about starting today, what would it be?
I would say that we now start by simplify things for others. That's the most important thing to do. If there is something complicated, you can make it simpler for them. People don't understand what is AI, or they use AI in the wrong way, or you have experienced something and you can share this knowledge. So here we come, use AI as a tool to make your experience easy for others to understand.
Ayman, thanks for joining us. It was a pleasure talking with you.
You are welcome. Thank you.